Hi everyone, my name is Puneet and this is my final year consultancy research project focused on helping business enterprise development or similar course students like me who are facing the big scary question, what am I going to do after university? Instead of choosing a typical company-based consultancy project, I decided to turn the lens on myself and by doing so, create something that could help others too. The core aim of this project was to explore uncertainty after graduation and how students can better navigate that confusing period where you're finished with university but you're still unsure of your direction. I wanted to create something practical, honest and usable, not just for me, but for other business enterprise development students who are in the same position. My project involved the creation of several interconnected pieces of work, each building on the next. A detailed project scope and research strategy, which outlined my rationale, goals, audience and research questions. A 15-minute video guide, a visual and narrative tool to walk students through how to deal with post-university uncertainty. A 5,000-word academic rationale and methodology. This breaks down the theory, research and strategy behind my choices, as well as a reflection on my skills and development, both personally and professionally, focusing on what I learned throughout the process. Each element helped me build something that feels both deeply personal and genuinely useful. The heart of this project is the video guide. It's designed to speak directly to students who feel overwhelmed, confused, or under pressure to have it all figured out. Key sections of the video include accepting uncertainty as normal, self-discovery tools, exploring career options, how to run small experiments to test career paths, networking tips and skill building, and a call to action to help students take their next step. It's structured like a journey, not just giving information, but walking alongside the viewer. Research and methodology wasn't based on just opinion. I backed the project with secondary research. Secondary research included academic frameworks around graduate transitions, employability and career decision making, industry stats on post-university outcomes and mental health, and finally analysis on what previous graduates do. I wanted to balance insight with empathy, creating something that felt academically sound but also emotionally supportive. How it can be introduced to students. One of my goals was for this guide to actually be used, not just to sit on a shelf. So here's how I think it could be introduced to students like us. Option 1, student induction week for final year welcome. So on the first week of final year, embed the guide as part of early career planning sessions, or host a short workshop around the video and a values skills exercise. Option 2, careers and employability support. Use the video in sessions about non-linear career paths. Offer it as pre-work to the students before a one-to-one session or a group session. And option 3, as a digital resource, host the guide on the university virtual learning engine, which is Blackboard or Careers Portal, and package it with reflection worksheets, stories from past graduates, and next step tools. This resource is designed to feel real, relatable, and relevant. The impact and reflection. Working on this consultancy project helped me make peace with the unknown. I went from anxious and uncertain to proactive and self-aware. I also gained some key skills including research and analysis, turning raw stories into insights, communication, so creating accessible content through the video, self-reflection, and that was learning what truly motivates me, project planning, which was managing multiple moving parts from the idea to the delivery. I genuinely believe this could help future students feel less alone and more equipped to figure out their next step. My final thoughts on what's next. My hope is that this project doesn't just stay as a grade, but becomes a tool for students who need direction but don't know where to start. And as for me, I'm still exploring, still figuring things out, but now I know how to do that intentionally, and that's the biggest win. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to explore the video guide to the full project, or even use it in future sessions, I'd love to share it.